Hello. Nasisense mo na ba ang princess ng Kapaskuhan? Well, kung meron kang puso mapagbigay at isang tunay na kaibigan, ang message ng kanta ko ay talagang para sa'yo. Okay, I'll start singing. So, don't laugh. This is a very serious song. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This Christmas holiday, give a gift. Share your blessings. Excuse me. I repeat this Christmas day. Give a gift. Give a gift. Give a gift. Share your blessing. And have a great Christmas day. At sa muli, this is Marvin Gaspar, namamas ko po. Maligayang Kapaskuhan, sambayan ng Pilipino.